We are at the SRB tunnel. I recently purchased Maono DM40 Pro wireless microphone. It's a condenser type of microphone that's capable of wireless connection. I bought this product because it's plug and play. I wanted something that's minimalist and it's not cluttering my station. So I chose this microphone. It's not cheap, but it's also not that expensive, unlike the dynamic microphones and the other wireless microphones. The knob in front is for gain control and headset control. This button right here is for mute, and it turns red when it's muted. The other button is for noise cancellation. It has 3 levels, and underneath you have the USB-C charger, the turn on button, and the headset jack. There's also a button for changing the lights. This is the USB-C connector. It also comes with a USB-C adapter, but if you want a more solid connection, you can use the wired USB-C that comes with it. So there is a website, since they actually have an app which allows you to control, customize, and use the AI voices that is included on this one. There are 10 variations of it. So, is it worth to buy? It depends on how you would use it. I would say that if you are aiming for a podcast, it's not really the best thing to buy. It will be best if you buy a dynamic mic, since this is really aimed for game. The AI voices can be like possibly used while streaming. You may record, but it's not that like accurate. The wireless connection unfortunately cuts off, as you may hear from the recording of this video and from the recording of this audio that I'm using right now. It cuts off sometimes. It may possibly be because of the AI noise cancellation feature it has, and maybe because it's wireless. Yeah. But I think it's really fine if you just need a decent microphone. It's not really worth the price for me. It will be best if you want to buy this, you wait for the sale. It's available on the RH app. I'll put the link below in the description, and thank you for watching the video. This is me recording and that I have turned off the noise cancellation feature, and we'll see if it still gets cut off. As you heard my recording previously and the first part of the video, it's getting cut off because I was using the different levels of noise cancellation. It has 3 levels, and the last level is for customize, and then you can turn it off. This one is off. Now I'm recording using a wired connection. Let's see if it has a more stable recording than the wireless connection. I also have to check if it needs an update or something, but yeah, this is the wired connection. This is the first level of noise cancellation as well, if it cuts off like the basic noise. This is the second level of wireless noise cancellation. This is the third level if it still gets cut off or something, but this is still wired connection. And this is the last level. I think this is the customized level. And now we're back off. So I did preview the recording, and I therefore conclude that the wired connection has better recording than the wireless. But if you're just gaming, it's fine. If it's for professional use, I think you should stick into wired.